Carlinkit 5 CarPlay, Mini iBox Wireless CarPlay, Wireless Android Auto for Audi, Benz, Mazda, Toyota. 2023 iBox New Appearance Upgrade. iBox's new appearance is smaller, lighter and thinner, convenient to carry around, making your journey more convenient and easy. Qualcomm 8-core processor, low power consumption, high performance. Running memory 4G LPDDR3 plus built-in storage 64G eMMC flash, high specification configuration, large memory, and large capacity storage space. Scalable 128G wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, suitable for families with both Android phones and for iPhones or business people with multiple phones. Supports split screen and reduced screen playback video. You can enjoy videos while navigating. Parents and children enjoy time in the car together. Some apps can also display picture-in-picture, make video apps full screen, and display Google Maps on small screens.